You're spending money every day. Groceries, gas, food delivery, streaming, Amazon orders. But here's the real question. What are you getting back from it? Most people don't know this. The right credit card can actually pay you to spend. Yes, real cash back, straight to your account. And in 25, these 5 cards are handing out serious rewards. No tricks, no gimmicks, just smart spending. Let's be real. Cashback isn't just about free coffee. It's real money. Hundreds, even thousands per year. And you don't need to spend more. Just spend smart. Let's talk about the first card. Wells Fargo. Active Cash gives 2% back on every purchase. No categories, no rotating offers, just flat 2%. Plus a $200 welcome bonus after spending $500. And no annual fee at all. Perfect for people who just want to swipe and earn. Next up, Citi Double Cash. You get 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. That's a clean 2% total. Simple, powerful. No annual fee here either. Use it as your daily driver. It's super reliable. Now let's heat things up. Chase Freedom Unlimited. 5% back on travel through Chase. 3% back on dining and drugstores. 1.5% back on everything else. Plus $200 bonus, plus 0% APR for 15 months. Great balance between everyday and extra rewards. Ready for something different? Meet Discover It Cashback. 5% back on categories that rotate. Gas, groceries, Amazon. Categories change every quarter, so stay sharp. Here's the kicker. Year 1, all rewards are doubled. Earn $300, they give you $600. No annual fee here either. Last but not least, Amex Blue Cash every day. 3% back at U.S. supermarkets, 3% at gas stations, 3% on online shopping, up to $6,000 per category per year. $200 welcome bonus. Premium Amex benefits. No annual fee. Easy to keep, easy to love. Now, what does this actually mean for you? Spend $1,500 a month and earn 2% cash back? That's $360 a year, just for spending smart. Use category cards? You could earn up to $1,000. Not working harder, not spending more. Just the right tools for the job. So here's what I'd do. Start with 1. Want simplicity? Go Wells Fargo or Citi Double Cash. Want to maximize categories? Discover or Amex Blue Cash. Travel and eat out a lot? Chase Freedom's your friend. These cards are tools to build wealth and rewards, but always pay your balance in full. Paying interest kills your rewards. Pro tip, stack rewards with apps like Rakuten, Honey. The savings add up fast. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. More videos coming on credit cards, rewards, and travel hacks? Drop a comment. I read them all. This is James Williams. And remember,